Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve then 2x plus 3y is equals to 4z and we have to find the value of 16 power x plus 64 power y by 256 power z. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first time solving this, we can write this as 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equals to 0. Now comes to this 16 power x, we can write it as 16 as 4 square power x plus 64 as 4 cube power y by 256 power z, we can write it as 4 power 4 power z. So according to the exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So we can write this as 4 power 2x plus 4 power 3y by 4 power 4z. Now addition rule of exponent, that is x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So we can write this as 4 power 2x plus 3y by 4 power 4z. So x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So 4 power 2x plus 3y minus 4z. So as we know that 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equals to 0. So 4 power 0. And we know the rule, if a power is 0, we can write it as 1. So 4 power 0 is equals to 1. So the final value of this is 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.